Shreyas, Kyle, and Shrihan are contestants in the Great Race of Biomes and are on a mission to explore and thrive in every single biome. Their goals are to find a sustainable way to live in this biome and explore and understand their surroundings. Please welcome the great team, the Exploratory Explorers. Let's give them a round of applause for their hardships.
Hey everyone, today in this episode of the Great Race of the Biomes, Shrihan, Kyle, and I will be looking into the temperate deciduous forest, filled with various fauna, flora, and much more. The interesting and wonderful temperate deciduous forest biome has a lot to explore. Let's go.
Hey Team Exploratory Explorers, you have made it to round 4, the temperate deciduous biome. In this biome, your goal is to explore the different types of animals and also different types of plants. 3 animals and at least 3 plants is the minimum. You will need to complete this challenge and also survive a night here. Your mission starts now.
Alright, you heard the man, let's go. Temperate deciduous forests can be found in between tropic and polar regions, and as such, they're exposed to both warm and cold air masses. This allows them to experience all 4 seasons, in contrast to most other biomes. You can expect a variety of diverse organisms, from endangered wolves to the deciduous trees. Get ready for an adventure.
We still need to find the biome first. Let's use our map. We actually need to do good this round, guys. I swear we need to get a lead behind the other teams. We can't lose any more of the mission.
Hey Shreyas, don't you have the map?
Yeah, I do.
According to this map, temperate deciduous forests are found in the western side of Canada, the eastern side of the area between the US and Canada, the western portion of Europe, the eastern side of China, the southern edge of South America, the southwestern and southeastern parts of Australia, and finally, New Zealand.
Okay, Shrihan, I really hope you're right. We really need to win this round. Let's head out.
Yo, it's kind of hot in here. Why does it smell so weird? It feels so moist and humid for some reason. This is so much different from all the other biomes that we've went to.
Well, temperate deciduous biomes are humid biomes, and there's a lot of water vapor in the atmosphere here. The high levels of moisture in the air are probably preventing your sweat from evaporating as easily as it usually does, making it feel really hot. A lot of the moisture in the air right now was created by the plants as a result of photosynthesis. The odor you're probably smelling is probably petrichor, or the smell of the rain. The levels of precipitation in this biome are pretty high, averaging at 30 to 59 inches of rain per year. So it's not that surprising that you can smell the rain.
Good golly, Miss Molly, it is so hot out here. These plants, I should just really get rid of them.
Dude, stop!
Why? The plants have no importance to this biome.
That plant is known as Ficus corica, more commonly known as fig. They are very sweet and they help sustain populations of the many seed-dispersing animals that feed on their fruits. That's why you shouldn't step on those.
Fine, I guess I'll just stomp on this one over here.
Bro, stop. Why don't you ever learn? Those are super helpful for survival.
What this time?
That's Hypnum cervifolium, or sheet moss. It's a producer that doesn't have any roots and can be found almost anywhere. It releases nutrients for the sake of other producers.
Fine, I guess I'll just throw some rocks in the pond when we get back to camp.
Whatever, let's just go back to camp.
Why were there so many hills and rolling hills? There were so many lakes too, and don't even get me started with crossing the rivers. I'm so tired. I need to start hitting the gym again.
The soil in this biome is pretty high quality, with ample amounts of nutrients and water. But the water makes the soil really wet and uncomfortable to sit on. The geography of this biome is really annoying. Despite that, we still have to push through this. How are we even gonna live here anyways? There's so much here, but how do we use it?
Well, for starters, there's already a lot of available water. The geography is annoying, but it's not impossible to get from one place to another. The main problem in this biome is food and shelter. Many animals that live here have fur that protects them from cold winters, and the trees here provide lots of shade for the hot summers. But we as humans don't have fur, so we're more vulnerable to the temperature, which can range from negative 22 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. As such, many humans that live in temperate climates, like the temperate deciduous biome, make shelters. However, since we're at camp, this shouldn't be an issue. But we're at a shortage for food. We need to go find and gather temperate fruits like grapes and apples. I feel like there's so much, and this could be an easy win. Plus, thank God we aren't in the coral reef, or else we would have been done for. Kyle can't swim.
Bro, I tried to take some lessons. Also, on the way here, I saw some berries. Let's go find some more food in the forest. These trees are so annoying. I wish I could just cut them down.
Unfortunately, you can't do that. That tree is called the Quercus fagicae, or oak tree. It provides energy for herbivores, so don't even think about cutting these trees.
You and your scientific whatnots. Let's just go find some food. Wait, look, over there. It's a squirrel. They're found so abundantly in this biomes, and they're very cool.
Go.
Look, I found some grapes. I'm so tired, though. We should get to bed.
Yeah, I agree. We should take some rest. We got a lot to find out about this amazing biome tomorrow.
Are you sure? I'm so scared of bugs, bro. I don't want anything to happen to us while we're asleep.
We'll be fine. Let's just go to sleep.
I guess so.
Oh, who's out here making noises?
Bro.
I need to sleep.
What is that?
Bro, why is there just a bear there?
Hold on. That's not just any bear.
What do you mean by that?
That's the Ursus americanus, otherwise known as the black bear. Bears play important roles in spreading the seeds of plants and fruits that they eat. If you can stay hungry, just let it eat. You can shot at it afterwards.
I mean, I guess you're right. I guess we'll wait.
Whoa, did anything happen last night while I was sleeping?
Bro, you don't even know, bro. So much happened. Like, oh, I'll just tell you later. Yo, look at that.
Whoa, that's a Catus lupus, otherwise known as a gray wolf. It's a carnivore that eats deers.
And that's an Otocoileus virginianus, or a white-tailed deer. They're called a keystone species because they serve as prey for so many predators.
Come on, Shreyas. We need to go save that deer. Let's go.
What? We can't do that, Kyle. Why won't you understand? Everything in a biome has this ecological niche, which is basically the role it plays in the giant scheme. Think of it like a cog in a system of gears.
Shreyas, we can still take that wolf on if we try.
That's not the problem, Kyle. Gray wolves have a crucial role in keeping the population of their prey in check. Without them, the deer wouldn't be a keystone species, as they would become invasive and detrimental to the ecosystem. Also, wolves are an endangered species that are low in population because of human interference. Your interference in this environment might seem good on paper, but it's actually really bad for the environment.
Oh, I didn't know that. All this time I've been trying to get rid of these different species, thinking that I'm really benefiting the environment. But me interfering actually would have caused more harm than good. I'm sorry, guys.
We've been there before too, Kyle, but it's important to realize that you have to let nature take its course. I think we've covered everything in this mission, by the way. We should be good for the next one. And we completed it faster than any others. We've won this round.
Yeah, I've had enough for today. At least we have a 3-day break until the next challenge. I hope it's something better than this biome.